Wonderful party, darling. Mwah! Being rich is the best, Mom. It sure is, honey. Mom, look!
Hello? Can anyone help poor old Huggy Wuggy?
Can I go play with it, Mom? Have fun, sweetie. This is so cool! Ugh! What have I done? Oh, Butler! Come quick! You need to do something! Allow me, ma'am. Wow! I never knew you could do that!
What happened?
You poor thing! You're coming home with us!
Subscribe to this channel!
It is an honor to cook for you today. Less chatting, more chopping. Of course, ma'am. Prepare to be amazed by dazzling culinary skills. Take that!
Feed me! I want food! Gimme, gimme, gimme!
Huggy, have some decorum. Don't look, Leo. What's going on? I want to see.
Not so smart now, huh, Carrot?
Marvel at my amazing knife skills. Look at those carrots fly. I can't take much more.
Come on, hurry up!
My masterpiece is complete.
Finally! Hand it over!
Voila! Bon appetit.
Wait, that's it?
It looks too good to eat.
Nom nom nom! Bleh.
Wow, you really are hungry.
I want more! It's mine! All mine!
Huggy, stop!
Mmm, tasty!
Great. Now what am I gonna eat? I've never seen such table manners.
I'm still hungry. Hey! I mean bonjour! And you're out of here! Woo! This is my time to shine!
Do you know what you're doing?
Trust me, I'll start with a bowl of flour. Then I'll crack in some eggs. I don't want to get any shells in it. No one likes a crunchy pancake. That's enough eggs. Now I'll give it a stir. I want to combine the eggs and flour completely. Next I'll add a splash of milk. This will help loosen up the mixture. I'll mix it until I have a smooth batter. That looks perfect. But I'm not finished yet. I'll add a drop of blue food coloring. That should do it. It's time to mix it. Wow, look at the color change. Ooh, I like that color. My pancake batter is ready. I'll quickly check the temperature of my hot plate. I'm good to go. Using the bottle makes it easier to work with. I'm gonna draw the outline of a hand. Now I can fill it in. I need to be quick. I don't want to burn it. When the bubbles start to appear, it's ready. I need to lift it off carefully. This is the tricky part. Now it's time for the filling. I have a bowl of cream cheese. I'll add black food coloring. Then give it a mix. Wow, that looks so cool. I can't wait to try it. I've put the pancake on a plate. And the cream cheese in a piping bag. This is the artistic part. I'll make 2 small blobs in the center of the pancake. This is fun. Next I'll draw a big smile. I'll use red cream cheese for the lips. Then I can add teeth. I'm glad I've got a steady hand. I hope you like it.
Oh my, this is different. It looks good.
It'll be the best pancake you've ever had.
Wait.
Huh? What's wrong?
Use a knife and fork.
Where's the fun in that?
Just give it a go, Huggy. It makes for a more enjoyable dining experience. You get to savor the food.
I'll give it a try. Oh, this is fancy.
This is so much fun.
That is one good-looking toy.
Meh, I've seen better.
Oops.
What have you done?
It was an accident.
Don't worry, we'll pull him out. The gold's too heavy. Mini Huggy is stuck. Pull! Ah!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'll call the doctor!
Tell her to get here quick! I came as quickly as I could. It's Mini Huggy, Doc! You need to help him!
You'll need his head, too!
This is a problem. Usually the head is connected to the body. I'll need to operate. This might be my biggest challenge yet. There's something in here. Whoa! I've never seen anything like this. It's a gold necklace. And it's mine. I love this job. Let's see what else we've got. It's like a gold mine. And it's real! I'm rich! Will he be okay? Shh! I need to concentrate. That is the biggest diamond I've ever seen. I wish all my patients were like this. I'm gonna buy a boat. What am I saying? I'll buy 2 boats. I think I'm done here. I've got a flight to catch. Hawaii, here I come. See ya!
Hey! Where are you going?
Come back! What are we gonna do?
You need to save him, Leo!
But how? I don't know where to start.
You can do it! I believe in you!
It's too late, Huggy.
No, I'm not giving up. Hand him over. Don't worry, little guy. It'll be okay. First, I need a bottle of water. Then I need 2 googly eyes. I'll stick them to the bottle. Then I'll paint a mouth on it. I'll use a thin brush for this. I need to be precise. That looks good. Then I'll use red paint for the lips. Once the black paint is dry, I can add teeth. Now I'll stick Mini Huggy's arms to the sides. I'll use super glue for this. It needs to be a strong bond. That should be enough. I'll give them a good press. I'll add more glue at the bottom of the bottle. This is for the legs. That seems secure. There's one last thing to do. I have this yellow lace. I'll tie around the neck of the bottle. And it's ready! Mini Huggy feels like a new monster!
Wow! Is that for me? I don't need this chain anymore.
This will look much better.
It's awesome, Huggy! I love it! Thanks so much! Having fun is thirsty work. But that's okay. I can always have a drink from Mini Huggy. It's fun and practical. Ah, I needed that. What a great idea, Huggy!
I'm glad you like it.
Subscribe to this channel.
I'm so bored. There must be something we can do.
Like what? Wait, Huggy, I've got it!
What? Tell me.
We could prank someone!
I like your thinking, Leo.
Let's go! Shh! We need to be quiet! Look, there's the maid.
Leo? Is that you? This is gonna be awesome! Let's get to work!
I've stuck these pins to the wall. Now we need to stick balloons to the door.
Leo? Are you in here? Ah! What was that? What's going on in here? This isn't funny!
Actually, it was! Oh, we need to be quick!
I'll squirt the cupcakes with this whipped cream. It looks so yummy.
Put the plate in my hands.
I'm so mad at you! Do it, Leo!
We're sorry. We made these cakes for you. I hope you like them.
Ooh, they look good.
Maybe you should have a closer look. Now I can cut the string. Snip!
Ah! I should have known better.
That went better than I thought!
Why are they doing this to me? It's so unfair. Ah! That's it! I quit! We totally got her!
That was awesome!
Great work, Leo!
Huh? Who's that?
I'm the new maid. And I don't want any nonsense. Got it? Uh-oh. I'm gonna hide.
Here you go, Huggy.
Whoa, I've never seen so much money.
This is how I learned to count. It's much more fun when it's money.
How much is that? I'm so confused.
Look out!
Who says money doesn't bring happiness?
I know, right? Whoa! It's night already? I'm getting sleepy.
It's time for bed.
You sleep down there. This is my bed. Ah, this is so cozy. Sweet dreams, Huggy.
I'm looking forward to this. Whoa! Help! What just happened? I don't like this. Leo, my bed attacked me! I'm not sleeping there! Ah, this is better. Huh? What's that noise? Aw, come on. I'm never gonna get to sleep. What'll I do now? Aha! I can sleep in this chair. Nothing can go wrong now. Uh-oh! Ah!
Huggy? Are you okay?
Don't worry about me. Wait a minute. Look!
Wow! You can use those foam mats!
Let's do this! I'm getting tired, so we need to hurry up. Ooh, they're so soft.
Let's put them on the floor.
And then we can connect them together.
They're so colorful. We can put them on the side.
And stack them vertically.
Then we can add a roof. That's the last piece.
Wow, these lights look amazing!
I love it!
It looks so cool. I can't wait to try it out.
Go for it! Get in there! How is it?
It's perfect. Now I can get a good night's sleep.
Boys? Are you okay? Aw, that's so sweet. Huh? That does not match my color scheme. It's okay. I can fix it. That's more like it.
Whoa, this is the life. I love it.
Everything's better with a little bling.
Subscribe to this channel.
What fun things do your families do? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.